Exploration Archives has had an online help for quite a while, but it's time for a makeover. In this video, we'll take a look at the new design, navigation, search features, and the new way to find help specific to your version of EA Desktop or browser. Hi, I'm Rebecca Januzzi from Talus Technologies. If you've ever looked at the previous online help, it may have been a little overwhelming. The revised help has a simple homepage that lets you choose the area you want to explore. The help has different tiles for EA Desktop, browser, and extensions. Also included is the EA Library, which holds PDF documentation and product videos. Let's click on the desktop tile. When the online help opens, you'll see that there is a navigation panel just like in EA that you can use to navigate to the different modules. Sometimes, when searching for a topic, you can be overwhelmed with search results. The search bar lets you filter the results between the different EA modules. When you open a help topic, the information for the most recent version is displayed. If you aren't using the latest version of EA, select the appropriate version from the drop-down list. The page will update to show instructions based on the version you've selected. We've also added a spot for you to provide feedback. If the page was helpful, click the smiley face. If the page did not answer your question, click the frowning face. We use this feedback to continually improve this help site. The new online help for EA is constantly being updated and is a great resource to answer your questions about Exploration Archives. So whether you're new to Exploration Archives or a seasoned user, don't hesitate to take advantage of all the resources available to you in the new help system. If you have any questions, reach out to our Exploration Archives support team. We'd be happy to help.